Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have well, let's call it a mail haul because some came from AliExpress, but I also got these from eBay. They have these doll a month crochet patterns. They're for 13-inch dolls. I bought those welly wishers, and I thought maybe I'd like to crochet something, but I wanted a base pattern. But they're called Doll a Month, and I bought the second half of the year, July, August, September. I love October. Oh, I love November and December. So it's just a little crochet pattern. Will I follow it exact? I don't know. We'll see what we make. Anyway, I got it inexpensive, so I bought it. Darren got, this is kind of exciting news. He has been working on tweaking and tweaking again, not only the model, which is the pattern, but also the type of filament to use for neck joints for Blythe dolls. We're going to be offering those in our online store very soon. And he tried on my dolls about 4 different screws before he got the one he actually liked. My AliExpress has not been coming in nearly as fast as everyone else's. Par for the course. I guess they figure I'm a good customer, so they have to send to people who don't buy as much because they know I'll be back, but they want other people. Uh-oh. That had a hole in it. I didn't do that. That had a hole in it. Oh, gosh. Now, if I don't get something, I'm going to have to wonder about that. I ordered some dolls. These actually have a purpose. I am absolutely loving doing customs with all, 4 sizes of Blythe dolls. The Neo, the Middie, the Mini, and the Chubbies, and the boys, and Dan. They do this to me. I got one set. It looks like, let's see if I got 3 sets of hands, because I am not going to be happy. You know, they only send me 1 dress. I order 3 dolls, they send me 1 dress. Let's see. Yeah, they did send me the hands, so I guess I'm happy about that. The dress thing does kind of aggravate me because I paid. I don't normally change the hands for the middies, but sometimes I'll change them and then leave those on. Oh my God, she is... Oh. This is not the right doll. That's not the right doll. I was supposed to have gotten a... and I'll have to send a picture of all 3 because I ordered together. Because this, well, maybe it is. It's not what it looked like in the... What does that look? Does that look auburn to you? Doesn't look like the picture, that's for sure. And that hair is not near as thick as it used to be. But it's not as choppy as the Neos. All right, let's check the eyes. Oh, so cute. She was supposed to have very dark auburn hair for St. Patrick's Day. And let's look at the little redhead here. Oh, I want to be careful with these little bags because sometimes they wait for me for a while. I have a stash of Blythe dolls. I buy them when they're on sale from AliExpress. Yeah, this one's correct. That's, oh, I love it. Hair is a little funny at the tips, but nothing that can't be brushed out. Not as choppy or bad as the Neos have been, but again, way thinner than it has been. But her eye mechanism works. Oh, she's a little doll. Ha, ha, ha. So cute. I wouldn't say that one is correct, though, because that was supposed to be a dark... auburn. And then been working on my fairy doll, and I saw this and I saw this and I kept seeing it, and I thought, you know what, I want that little doll. I've been looking at her for a while, even before the fairies, but How cute is she? The hair is definitely thinner, but it's not as choppy as the Neos, that's for sure. Cute, 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 cute. Do her eyes work? They do. They sure do. Oh, she is. Oh, cute, cute, cute. I have a fairy I did last year, and I named her Bug's Ear because she's cute as a bug's ear. Let's see what else I got in this package. Boy, that bothers me that that package was open. I wish I would have seen that before I started tearing it open. I've had some run-ins with AliExpress again. They are just not going to stand behind their product. They used the new year for their excuse this time. Ooh, that ripped up. I got this for Ruth 66. She is a Blythe doll that Darren and I are taking with us as we go down Route 66, taking pictures and photos and videos and having a good time. I just thought that was cute and kind of 50s-ish. So I got that for her. And this should be turtles and teddy bears. It is. Uh-oh, turtles are not here. Maybe that's the turtles. I got more teddy bears. I like these for when I make and sell customs and for, well, for my own dolls. Happy Meal. Those are cute. Let's go ahead and see if this is my turtles, because I'm not going to be happy if my turtles fell out on the way here. Yeah, that. Why 2 bags? I don't know. You know what? Hold up. That's a odd. Let's make sure it's not ripped open too. It is not. That was opened by me because this is all that's in there. That's weird. All right, and I'd already had
2 packages.
Oh, was this in there? Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, there you go. I'm getting all. Oh, they're cheating me. Okay. Get this. These are cute. I just saw these and I thought, you know, I send bears and rabbits a lot. Let's see what else they have. So I got these little turtles. Where the heck is the... can't find it. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. These are keychains, obviously. But how cute is that for a Blythe doll? I just thought they were just little cute turtles. I love a turtle. I could go on and on about how I used to rescue them long before you heard the word rescue for animals. Okay, I need to be very careful here. That feels funny. I hope that's not something broke. Hope this is my ears. It is ears. Yeah, they look fine. They're just big ears for Neo-sized Blythes with a custom. And then one more fun package because, well, I just can't get enough of these Ali Blythes. This little girl has a purpose for next year Christmas, I hope. All right, there's her hands, and she got a dress. You know, I never use these dresses. It's just the, you know, if you're going to send dresses, send me one too. Okay, let's get this open very carefully. This girl in the photos looked like she had red hair. Yeah, she does. It goes to the side of orange. I'd say that's red hair, wouldn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Does that look red or does that look more orange to you?
It's hard to say.
Yeah, it's pretty orangey. But it is red. I mean, it's red. I like it. I like it, I like it. She's going to work out fantastic. Okay, let's check her little eyes. Can't get my hand on it very well. Oh, yeah, she is stinking cute. I thought her hips are a little bit loose, but they're all right. All of the middies are a bit loose. Oh, I love her hair. Let's push this back down because I'm going to put her up for that collab, and if I don't do it quick, I fall in love and then I have to order another doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Remember, always open your AliExpress or any packages on film. Even if you don't upload them to YouTube, you might need them for proof of what came inside your package. This is supposed to be dark auburn. I'll be contacting that seller and nothing will happen. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.